It's not recommended for a child to try to make electricity at home as it can be dangerous without proper training and equipment. However, there are some simple and safe experiments that can help children understand the basic principles of electricity. Lemon battery. You can make a simple battery using a lemon, a copper penny, and a zinc-coated nail. Insert the penny and the nail into the lemon, with the penny on one end and the nail on the other. The lemon juice acts as an electrolyte, allowing electrons to flow between the copper and zinc, creating a small amount of electricity that can light up a small LED bulb. Static electricity. You can create static electricity by rubbing a balloon on your hair or a piece of fabric. The balloon will become negatively charged and will stick to objects with a positive charge, such as a wall or your hair. Potato battery. You can also make a simple battery using a potato, two different types of metal, such as copper and zinc, and some wire. Cut a small slit in the potato and insert the metal pieces. Connect the metal pieces with a wire to create a circuit, and you will be able to light up a small LED bulb. Remember, it's important to always supervise children during science experiments and ensure they follow proper safety precautions.